Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. PWD's affairs come to fore following contractor Harmalkar's suicide. All Goa Contractors Association demands immediate clearance of all PWD contractors pending dues. Most of newly elected Panchayat panels with party in power, more than 50% Panchayats claim as independents, only one independent and two Congress MLAs shows off strength. Watch special report. Illegal pistol racket in Ponda has links in Mumbai and Belgaum, suspect police. Police raid and arrest 4 persons. Newly elected Panch from Old Goa arrested with illegal pistol. And gambling at Zagor and Apewal Keri in Ponda creates tension. Police arrest one for assaulting complainant, setting ablaze laundry shop. People get out police station demanding action on attackers. Now the news in detail. Contractor Harmalkar's suicidal death has brought affairs in the PWD to the fore. President of All Goa Road Contractors Association has demanded that pending dues of PWD contractors should be cleared immediately to avoid any more such probable cases. Vishwas Harmalkar hanged himself to death laden with dues to the third party. His family members informed that the government did not clear the bills in time and he preferred to end his life. Harmalkar has expressed this helplessness in his suicidal note.
एक बरो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जो आमकां हांगा सोडून गेलो एक कांय कारणां जे पेमेंटा लागून जे पेमेंटाक जालना म्हणून ताणें ताजे कडेन जमना जालें लास्टाक सगळे आपले घाणां दवरून काडले पण गव्हर्मेंटान पेमेंट न करता आज ताजी ही पाळी आयली अशी दुसरी घडची न्ही मुखार घडची न्ही म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटान पावलां उचलून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांची बिलां फारीक करची. 12 ते 13% इंट्रस्ट आसा. सगळे प्रत्येक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर रिणां बुडले कडेन आसा आनी जे प्रायवेट जे आमकां प्रायवेट पयशे दिता तांचे कडेन आमी 4% ते 5% पयशे घेता पर मंथ आनी काम कंप्लीट करता. कित्याक न काम कंप्लीट न केल्यार आमकां फायन पडटा आनीक पेनल्टी पडटा. अशी परिस्थिती वाडत वता म्हणून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जाता तितले बेगीन काम कंप्लीट करूंक सोदता पूण गव्हर्मेंट तितले आमकां साथ दिना. आज वर्स जालें पेमेंट फूल पेमेंट जायना. पार्ट पेमेंट असो पेमेंट जायत रावता. तर हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन प्रार्थना करता काळजांसून मागता की जाता तितले बेगीन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांची बिलां तुमी थकबाकी जी आसा ती पेमेंट पेड करची.
Vishwas Harmalkar died on Saturday. He was a resident of Silvawado in Ponda. He committed suicide by hanging himself in a rented room in a hotel at May. He is a native of Pedne. His family members claim that he ended his life due to pressure of pending dues. He was also upset with change in plans of Pedne police station building. Before his death, Vishwas had written 3 suicidal notes, one addressing the government, second addressing his family, and third about his death. The second note mentions that the construction of Pedne police station building was left incomplete due to difficulties faced by him. He has stated not to impose any fine. Also, that he had 2 sons who are unemployed and government should not burden his sons to pay the dues. The third note reads, "I'm responsible for my own death. My family is not to be blamed for the death. Hence, police should not harass my family members. All pending dues will be cleared on receipt." We tried to contact the PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar, but he was unavailable for comments. Vishwas Harmalkar is survived by his wife and 2 sons. Our reporters Uday Parab, Vivek Prabhu, Savio Dias and Vinod Mehtar for Prudent Media.
Most of the recently elected panchayats are with party in power. Almost 50% elected ones claim themselves as independents and unattached to any party. Except independent MLA Avitan Furtado, Alex Reginald and Pandurang Madkaikar from Congress, none of the other MLAs could show strength in getting their panels elected with majority. Mickey Pacheco too couldn't make it. New Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanchas will be elected by 28th May. Watch part 2 on Panchayat Binding.
In the recently held Panchayat poll, many new faces have been elected. Most of them claim themselves as independents. Now efforts are on by the ruling government to rope in the independent Panchayats to form their Panchayat panel. However, this Panchayat poll wasn't so encouraging to the local MLAs. Dilip Parulekar once again was disappointed. More than half Panchayats are not in his camp. In Congress, except Alex Reginald and Pandurang Madkekar, none could retain Panchayats. In Kukuli, Rajan Naik was unsuccessful in forming Panchayat panel with majority. Except one Panchayat, rest all were overpowered by the opposition. Miki Pacheco too could not retain his hold on Panchayats. However, MLAs are lobbying hard to get their panels in majority in most of the Panchayat post-poll. Till the new Sarpanchas get elected, the scenario can change in Panchayat areas. Have a look at the current numbers. Aldona, Glen Tiklo, 7 Panchayats, hold on 6. Sankali, Pramod Savan, 6 Panchayats, hold on 5. Kumarjua, Pandurang Madkekar, 7 Panchayats, hold on 4. Ponda, Lavu Mamledar, 1 Panchayat, 50-50 scenario. Navili, Avirtano Furtado, 5 Panchayats, hold on 4. Banauli, Kaitan Silva, 6 Panchayats, hold on all 6. Nuve, Miki Pacheco, 6 Panchayats, hold on 3. Veli, Benjamin Silva, 7 Panchayats, hold on 3. Kunkoli, Rajan Naik, 4 Panchayats, hold on only 1. Kankon, Ramesh Tawadkar, 6 Panchayats, hold on all 6. New Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch would be elected by 28th May. Till then, politics on forming respective Panchayats will pass on. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Ponda police suspect that illegal arms sale racket has links in Belgaum and Mumbai through the prime accused. Police are hopeful of cracking down on a big racket. Police raided a group on Saturday and arrested 4 persons involved in illegal sale of country-made pistols. Police arrested 4 persons, 1 in Boma, 2 in Farmagudi and 1 in Old Goa. Vinayak Fatte, who is arrested in the case, is a newly elected punch from Old Goa. Police have recovered 4 pistols, 3 magazines and 14 live rounds and a shoulder bag.
Police suspect that illegal arms sale racket has links in Belgaum and Mumbai. As per the prima facie information, one of the arrested accused has such deals in Mumbai and Belgaum. Ponda police had arrested 4 persons in the alleged sale of country-made pistols on Saturday. Pistol sellers were arrested from Boma and Farmagudi. One newly elected punch, Vinayak Fatte, has been arrested in Old Goa for possessing illegal country-made pistol. Akhilesh Gupta and Tawfiq Nasirak were arrested on Saturday for possessing such pistols. In all 4 pistols, 3 magazines and 14 live rounds are recovered from the accused.
Further interrogation of the accused revealed that they sold one more pistol to Mr. Vinayak Jagannath Fatte, resident of Old Goa, who is presently elected as a punch member of Ward number 5 of Old Goa Panchayat of Kunda Police Station, conducted a raid, and from him he recovered 1 pistol and 5 live rounds. He has been arrested, and total property so far recovered is 4 pistols, 3 magazines and total 19 live rounds. We are still interrogating the accused, and it is possible that there may be some more disclosure from the accused persons.
Police are planning to crack down a major illegal pistol sale racket. Our reporter in Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.